In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on Steam. First, make sure you have the Steam client installed on your PC and log in with an account that has a verified email and a basic profile set up. That profile info helps viewers recognize you when your broadcast goes live. Open Steam on your desktop, then head to the top left menu and choose Steam, then Settings. On some systems this may be called Preferences. In the Settings panel, find Broadcasting. Turn Broadcasting on, then set your privacy. Choose Anyone can watch if you want a public stream, or Friends can watch to keep it limited to your friends list. While you're here, choose a maximum bitrate and resolution, then save your changes. For many PCs and typical home internet, 720p or 1080p at 30 to 60 frames per second works well with a moderate bitrate. Higher bitrate usually means clearer video but requires more upload speed. If you're seeing stutter or buffering, lower the resolution or frames per second. Next, set up your audio. Enable capture for the game audio and your microphone so viewers can hear you and the gameplay. If you'd like, enable your webcam. Place it where it won't cover important parts of the game HUD. Before going public, run a short private or friends-only test stream to check how everything looks and sounds, and to confirm there's no noticeable lag. A wired connection can improve stability, but Wi-Fi can work if your signal is strong. If your goal is public visibility, double-check that privacy is set to Anyone can watch. It also helps to play a popular or relevant game so your broadcast appears on the game's page as well as your profile. Add a clear profile name and avatar, and post a short description or announcement so people know what you're streaming. Now launch the game you want to share from your Steam library and wait until you're actually in-game. Press Shift+Tab to open the Steam overlay, click the Broadcast button, and confirm your microphone, webcam, resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. When you're ready, start broadcasting. Viewers can join directly from your profile or from their friends list when they see you're live. That's it, you're streaming on Steam. Thanks for watching.